So today we are going to discuss one more topic, that is ionization energy. It is one more factors which changes as we move across the periodic table. So what is ionization energy? Ionization energy, it is the energy required. Remember, it is the energy required to remove an electron from the outermost shell of an isolated gaseous atom in its ground state. So two things are important here: required and outermost shell. Okay, now more sort eta I have an atom here which is isolated. So a atom to cells thakibo tar bhitorte jitu outermost cell hobo, outermost cell of thoka jitu electron, that means the outermost electron, to be more precise, outermost electron. Okay, so outermost electron to moi remove koribole jiman energy dibo lagibo, so moi energy dibo lagibo, moi kiman energy dile outermost electron to ulai jabo. Okay, so outermost electron to kiman energy dile ulai jabo, that is the ionization energy. Okay, so jodi electron to, so electrons are attracted by the nucleus. Jodi electron to kom ke attract koi thoise তেতিয়াহলে কম এনার্জি দিলে ওলাই যাব। যদি ইলেক্ট্রনটো বহুত টানকে attract কৰি থৈছে নিউক্লিয়াছটো, তেতিয়া বেছি এনার্জি দিব লাগিব, তেতিয়াহে ওলাই যাব। Okay, so this is first thing which tells us that energy required to remove the outermost electron from the energy required to remove an electron. So we are removing one electron. So most of the gaseous atom আছে, gaseous atom to isolated হৈ আছে, that means অকলে আছে। অকলে থকা যেটো gaseous atom তাৰ last electron to উলিয়াই দিবলৈ মই যিমানখিনি এনার্জি দিব লাগিব, that is called the ionization energy. Now okay, so outermost electron, so outermost cell of thoka electron, that means okay, so or to be more precise, outermost orbital of thoka যেটো electron. Okay, so now the thing is that one more thing that we need to know here is, if the atom, if this is the atom, this is in gaseous state, so m ot moi plus kiman energy bahiro pa dim, so a energy to moi bahiro pa di aso from outside. So moi bahiro pa energy to di aso, moi bahiro pa kiman energy dile m or outermost electron to ulai gusi jabo. So m or jodi outermost electron to ulai gusi jay, ki basibo, m positive basibo, aru jehetu ei gasot ase, gaseous bostu eta electron erile gasot gaseous ion form hobo. This is gaseous atom. So gaseous atom eta electron eri dile bahiro pa energy loi pela, and we get gaseous cation aru plus electron jetu ulai go is gaseous electron in gas phase. Okay, so this is ionization energy. The one factor is nucleus e jiman জোৰকে টানি থাকিব সিমানে মই বেছি এনার্জি দিব লাগিব ইলেক্ট্রন টু উলিয়াবলৈ। নিউক্লিয়াছে যিমান কমকে টানি থাকিব সিমানে মই কম এনার্জি দিব লাগিব ইলেক্ট্রন টু উলিয়াব। The thing is that, so down the group ionization energy decreases. Okay, so ionization energy decreases. Why? Distance of outermost electron from nucleus increases. Okay, so মই যেতিয়া ওপৰৰ পৰা তললৈ যাম, লিথিয়াম, সোডিয়াম, পটাছিয়াম, rubidium, cesium, so ionization enthalpy to কমি গুছি যাব, that means lithium ionization enthalpy to আটাইতকৈ বেছি হ'ব, sodium or কম হ'ব। Okay, this is the first thing that we need to know. Ionization energy to যেতিয়া atomic size to বাঢ়ি যায়, ionization energy to কমি যায়। cesium or size to lithium অতকৈ বেছি, সেইকাৰণে lithium or ionization enthalpy to বেছি। Okay, so ionization energy. So we call this as ionization energy or ionization enthalpy. We represent ionization enthalpy by this symbol del I H. Okay, so del I H, where H is a thermodynamic parameter that we call enthalpy. Okay, now so ionization enthalpy is inversely proportional to atomic size. Okay, so atomic size. Now why? Because I have a positive charge, negative charge, the distance between them is r, so the force of attraction between them is inversely proportional to r square. Okay, so that means distance to jetia bahi jabo, nucleus aru last electron major distance to bahi goise, mane tahator major attraction, force of attraction to komi goise. Attraction to komi joa mane easily moi knock koribo parim, I can remove it easily, and that is why the ionization enthalpy is low in such cases. But if the distance of the electron from the nucleus is low, যদি নিউক্লিয়াস আৰু ইলেক্ট্ৰনৰ মাজৰ ডিসটেন্সটো কম থাকে, তেতিয়াহলে তাহাঁতৰ easily মই ইলেক্ট্ৰনটো ৰিমুভ কৰিব নোৱাৰিম. Okay, that is why the ionization enthalpy is high in those cases. Now we can have successive ionization enthalpies in terms. Successive ionization enthalpy or energy in atoms, which we'll discuss shortly. So successive ionization enthalpy. Okay, so let us take an example. So let us take an example of lithium and sodium. So if I see lithium, the last shell is 2s. The last shell has n equals to 2. This is the last shell or the L shell. So L shell of 2s ase, 2p thake, কিন্তু 2s or electron to ase. That means last electron to kuntu, the last electron is the 2s electron. So a 2s electron to jodi ulai gol, that is the first ionization enthalpy. Okay, so successive ionization enthalpy means first ionization enthalpy, second ionization enthalpy, third ionization enthalpy. Those are called the successive ionization enthalpy. So if I say the first ionization enthalpy, that I write as del I H1, this is the first ionization enthalpy. That means this is the energy required to remove the first outermost electron. Ekeba outermost electron to moi etai uliai dim, that is the first ionization enthalpy. So jetia moi first ionization enthalpy, that means I give this much of energy, iman energy dilu moi, iman energy dile mor last electron to ulai gusi jabo. That means so if I give this much of energy, first ionization enthalpy amount of energy, I will get Li positive, which is 1s2. Okay, so এই Li positive to ketia form hol jetia ma first ionization enthalpy to dilu. If I yat moi, so jodi moi etu ion saw, here last electron to kontu, this 1s2 is the last electron. So a1s2 to moi jodi uliaba bisaru kiman energy dibo lagibo. So second jeto outermost electron ase hetu uliabole moi jiman energy dibo lagibo, that is the second ionization enthalpy. That means del IH2, this is the second ionization enthalpy. So etu jodi moi second ionization enthalpy di diu ya, here outermost electron to ulai gusi jabo. That means I will get lithium 2 positive, that is which is equal to 1s1. Ako jodi moi etu jodi gusaba bisarisu, that means I want to remove the here tinta electron asile, first to remove korilu first ionization enthalpy, second to remove korilu second ionization enthalpy, third to remove korilu third ionization enthalpy hobo. That means these are called successive ionization enthalpies. So sodium or karne first ionization enthalpy jodi moi di dun, that means if I provide del IH1 amount of energy, iman energy jodi moi diu, a last electron to ulai gusi jabo. That means n equals to 3. This is the last cell. That means last electron is 3s1 electron. It will like so I will get Na positive, which is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Now A2 condition hold. Next jodi moi second ionization enthalpy diu, tetia 2p6 or by eta electron like so. That means I get the second ionization enthalpy. So there are trends. Keteba ki hoy first ionization enthalpy to second of ke besi hoy. Keteba ki hoy second ionization enthalpy to first ionization enthalpy ke besi hoy. Okay, ionization energy is normally greater than 0. Please remember. So it is positive. Ionization energy to positive. It would energy dia to bujai, energy release to nubujai. Ionization process is a endothermic process. It is not a exothermic process. Okay. So energy delay hai electron ulabo. That means endothermic process. So this is ionization energy. So if I see now, normally, generally, third ionization energy is greater than second ionization energy, and it is greater than first ionization energy. Okay, so third ionization energy to second ionization energy or first ionization energy ke normally besi hoy. Okay, so when we move from top to bottom, ionization energy will decrease, because ionization energy inversely proportional to atomic size. Okay, so atomic size bahi joa mane attraction komi joa mane ionization energy bahi joa. Okay, but if we move from left to right, ionization energy will increase. Why? Because of the increase in nuclear charge. That means number of protons bahi jabo. So left from right hole jetia moi goi thakim tetia hole atomic size to, that means number of cells upor pa tolle jaunte size to বেছিকে বাহি বাহি গৈ থাকে, নতুন নতুন সেল এড হৈ গৈ থাকে। কিন্তু যেতিয়া মই লেফট পৰা ৰাইট লৈ যাম, নতুন সেল এড হৈ নাথাকে, সেল উইল বি সেম। ওকে, বাট হোৱাট হেপেন্স, নিউক্লিয়াৰ চাৰ্জটো বাহি বাহি গৈ থাকে। ওকে, প্ৰটনৰ এমাউণ্টটো বাহি বাহি গৈ থাকে। Okay, so because of the increase in the nuclear charge, however, the atomic size, that means the cell which is being filled remains the same. That means that is why we get increase in the ionization energy when we move from left to right. Okay, but there are exceptions. So this thing is fully followed when we move from lithium to neon. Okay, so lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So এই সিরিজটো যেতিয়া আমি প্ৰসিড কৰিম তেতিয়াহে ফুললি ফলো কৰিব। কিন্তু যদি মই ইয়াৰ পিছত কি সোডিয়াম আহে, ইয়াত ফুললি ফলো নকৰে, ইয়াত কিছুমান এক্সেপশন আহি যাব। সোডিয়াম, মেগনেসিয়াম, এলুমিনিয়াম, সিলিকন, ফসফরাস, সালফার, ক্লোরিন, আর্গন। So there will be differences. লিথিয়ামৰ পৰা নিয়নতো এটা এক্সেপশনাল কেস আছে। Okay, so we will discuss it now. So what should happen is, so we will now discuss the only first ionization energy. Okay, so let us see lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So stability jodi bahe, stability bahi goleo ionization energy bahi jay. So okay, so if there is an increase in the stability, then there is also an increase in the ionization energy. Okay, so the thing that is seen is the nitrogen normally মোৰ কি হ'ব লাগিছিলে, কাৰ্বনৰ আৰু নাইট্ৰজেনৰ মাজত নাইট্ৰজেনৰ আয়নাইজেশ্যন এনাৰ্জি বেছি হ'ব লাগিছিলে, তাৰপিছত অক্সিজেন হ'ব লাগিছিলে। ঠিক আছে, কাৰ্বন, নাইট্ৰজেন, অক্সিজেন, বাট দ্য আয়নাইজেশ্যন এনাৰ্জি এইটো হ'ব লাগিছিলে। চ' নাইট্ৰজেনৰ পিছত আহে অক্সিজেন, দ্যাট মিনছ অক্সিজেনৰ আয়নাইজেশ্যন এনাৰ্জিটো নাইট্ৰজেনতকৈ বেছি হ'ব লাগিছিলে। নাইট্ৰজেনত 7টা প্ৰটন আছে, অক্সিজেনত 8টা প্ৰটন আছে, দ্যাট মিনছ oxygen or ionization enthalpy, that means first ionization enthalpy to basic hole লাগিছিল। So for nitrogen I have 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, for oxygen I have 1s2 2s2 2p4. Okay, so last cell is the this is the 2l cell. Yeah, to l cell. So at last electron kontu boli dhori moi, last electron is 2p, here also 2p. So 2p3 2p4, 2p3 পৰা এটা ইলেক্ট্ৰন উলিয়াই দিয়াটো বেছি ইজি হ'ব নে 2p4 পৰা এটা ইলেক্ট্ৰন উলিয়াই দিয়াটো বেছি ইজি হ'ব? Okay, so this is for oxygen, this is for nitrogen. So হ'ব লাগিছিলে কি অক্সিজেনৰ আয়নাইজেশন এনথালপি নাইট্ৰজেনতকৈ বেছি, কিন্তু উল্টা নাইট্ৰজেনৰ আয়নাইজেশন এনথালপিটো অক্সিজেনতকৈ বেছি হয়। So this is the case. Why? Here you see, here we have 2p3, which is half filled. So half filled electronic configuration means stable. This is not half filled, this is half filled. Half filled means stable. Stability bahile ionization energy bahile. That means nitrogen has ionization enthalpy higher than that of oxygen. Okay. So the next thing that we need to understand is if N achieves noble gas configuration, if an element achieves noble gas configuration, then its ionization enthalpy is highest. Okay, so noble gas configuration jodi eta element pai jabo tetia hole stability to ataitke beshi hoye jabo. Okay, stability increases, that is why the ionization enthalpy is also increase. Now so jibur element easily noble gas configuration, so if eta mosot element ase jodi he element to eta electron eri pele noble gas configuration pai jay tetia hole he easily koribo. For example, if I see lithium 1s2 2s1, sodium 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1, potassium 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s1. Okay, so lithium or lithium positive bonaisu moi 2s2 usai disu, that means it is similar to helium. Noble gas configuration pai jabo jodi etu jodi area easily noble gas configuration pai jabo, that means lithium or lithium positive easily hoy jay. CS to jodi area sodium e tetia hole sodium to sodium positive boni jabo, that means etu jodi gusi jay tetia hole electron configuration to kihor pale neon pai jabo, noble gas configuration pai jabo. That is why sodium or sodium positive easily hoy jay. Similarly potassium e jodi last electron to eri di tetia hole here by noble gas configuration by argon, which means potassium to potassium positive is also easily feasible. Okay, in this way, so we will decide in which case the ionization enthalpy will be high or in which case the ionization enthalpy will be low. So zibur element e eta electron area bisor noble gas configuration pai hebur elementor karone ionization enthalpy to kom hobo, or zibur element e electron area bisor যিবোৰ এলিমেন্ট নোবল গেছ কনফিগাৰেশনতে আছে হেবোৰ এলিমেন্টৰ কাৰণে আয়নাইজেশন এনথালপিটো বেছি হ'ব। Okay, so if I now see the ionization enthalpies, let us see the values of ionization enthalpies for lithium and beryllium. So lithium, beryllium, so this is the del 1h del IH1, this is the del IH2. So first ionization enthalpy, second ionization enthalpy. So this is 509. This is 509 kilojoule per mole, and this is 899 kilojoule per mole. Okay. If I see the second ionization enthalpy, this becomes 7297 kilojoule per mole, and this becomes 1757 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so lithium karone second ionization enthalpy to first ionization ke beshi. Similarly beryllium karone second ionization enthalpy to first ionization enthalpy ke beshi, but lithium, so the first ionization enthalpy of beryllium is greater than lithium, but second ionization enthalpy of lithium is greater than beryllium. Ulta hoise kio? So if I see lithium, this is 1s2 2s1. Beryllium, this is 1s2 2s2. So lithium is the last electron to aid the easily noble gas configuration by that means the ionization enthalpy is low. Into the beryllium last electron aid he noble gas configuration na pai, that means the ionization enthalpy is high. But যেতিয়া first ionization enthalpy to achieve hole lithium positive পালো মই 1s2 noble gas configuration পাই গল, that means high stability ইয়া পাই এটা ইলেক্ট্ৰন ইজিলি উলিয়াটো বহুত টান। কিন্তু বেৰিলিয়ামৰ কাৰণে কি হ'ল, বেৰিলিয়াম পজিটিভত কি হ'ল 1s2 2s1 এটো যদি এৰিয়া নোবল গেছ কনফিগাৰেশন পাই যাব, that means এই সেকেন্ড টু ইজিলি এৰি দিব। okay, so for alkaline earth metals for group 2 elements the second ionization enthalpy usually is lower as compared to the alkali metals. So alkali metals or is second ionization enthalpy alkaline earth metals or second ionization enthalpy ke besi hoy because alkaline earth metal e duta electron e stability pai ekhane second electron to erute tahator kom energy khorch hoy। okay, so another factor on which ionization enthalpy depends is something we call penetration power। okay, so simply if simply to understand, if for two if there are two elements the outermost electrons are different but the value of n is same, that means one is say 3s the other is say 3p। okay, so ধৰি লোৱা যে ফাৰ্স্ট ionization enthalpy আছিল বলে ইয়া 3s1 or last to ওলাই যায় কিন্তু ইয়া 3p1 to ওলাই যায় last বা 3p6 to ওলাই যায় ধৰি লোৱা যেতিয়া। okay, okay, so when the value of n is same and ধৰি লোৱা 3s last of 3s2 আছে আৰু ইয়াত 3p1 আছে। okay, so value of n is same আৰু এইটা কনজিকিউটিভ হয়, that means 3s ৰ পিছত যদি এটা ইলেক্ট্ৰন দিও 3p2 ফিল হ'ব, তেতিয়া হলে মই কেনেকৈ ডিসাইড কৰিম। okay, so for example let us take an example magnesium and aluminum, magnesium or 12 aluminum or 13 কাৰ ionization enthalpy বেছি হ'ব লাগে, aluminum or magnesium কে বেছি হ'ব লাগে। so this should be the case but what we see is the ionization enthalpy of aluminum is actually greater than magnesium, ionization enthalpy of actually magnesium is greater than aluminum। এটোৱে দেখাব হ'ব কি লাগে, magnesium to aluminum কে aluminum or ionization enthalpy to magnesium কে বেছি হ'ব লাগে, কিন্তু হয় কি magnesium to aluminum কে বেছি হৈ যায়। why? so if we see the electronic configuration of magnesium 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2, for aluminum it is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p1, so 3s2 and 3s2 3p1 so cell to ekei hoy jay, so 3s 3p cell to ekei hoy jay, outermost cell duita ta ekei, outermost cell is the L cell, outermost cell is the M cell, ya to M cell into ya 3s outermost electron to 3s ot ase ya 3p ase, তেতিয়া হলে কোট ionization enthalpy to বেছি হ'ব। so we need to know that in these cases we need to use a concept called penetration power। so penetration power to simply to simply know, so if the value of n is same then penetration power of s is greater than p greater than b greater than f। so if the value of n is same that means s or penetration power p ke beshi mane hol je nucleus e s ok beshi ke attract koribo, p kom ke attract koribo। here 3s ok ya 3s ase ya 3p ase, so 3s ok 3p ke beshi ke attract koribo, that means 3s or karone ionization enthalpy bahi jabo, 3p karone ionization enthalpy to komi gusi jabo, that is why aluminum has ionization enthalpy lower than that of magnesium। okay, this is an exceptional case। so let us see a problem, arrange in the increasing order of ionization energy। so we have to arrange in the increasing order of ionization energy, to be more precise the first ionization energy। okay, first ionization energy, so what are the elements, lithium beryllium boron carbon and nitrogen। so lithium beryllium boron carbon and nitrogen, these are the electronic configurations, সৰুৰ পৰা ডাঙৰলৈকে আমি arrange কৰিব লাগে। so এই পাঁচটা ভিতৰত আটাইতকৈ কম ionization enthalpy কাৰ হ'ব, লিথিয়ামৰ হ'ব, because 2s1 last electron to ulai gole noble gas configuration pai jabo. Or then next thing is that it is a alkali metal. Okay, so after ki kom hobo lithium or tar bisot if I see beryllium and boron, so lithium or beryllium মাজত কাৰ ionization enthalpy বেছি হ'ব, beryllium or বেছি হ'ব. Why? Because the nuclear charge is more. Okay, so the nuclear charge is more, high nuclear charge 4. Okay, number of protons is more, that is why lithium or ionization enthalpy to beryllium is कम. Now if I see among beryllium and boron, okay, so beryllium or nuclear charge 4 है, boron or 5 है. So beryllium or boron মাজত কাৰ ionization enthalpy to বেছি হ'ব? ইয়াত চাম আমি যে ইয়াত last cell to L cell, so n equals to 2 for beryllium as well as for boron. Okay, দুইটাৰ কাৰণে n equals to 2, কিন্তু for beryllium it is 2s, for boron it is 2p, 2s 2p. Okay, so এনেকুৱা ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি কি কেনে ডিসাইড কৰিম? We will take into consideration their penetration power. 2s আৰু 2p মাজত penetration power কাৰ বেছি? s or penetration power বেছি. That is why s will be pulled more close to the nucleus. Okay, that as a result of which beryllium or जितो ionization enthalpy boron के बेसी होगा. Okay, so beryllium or ionization enthalpy will be more than boron because 2p penetration power to 2s of कम. Okay, 2p penetration power to कम माने nucleus से कम के टानी. 2s और penetration power to बेसी माने 2s of बेसी के टानी. Okay, after if we see boron and carbon, so that means এই তিনটা ভিতৰত যদি আমি কম্পেয়াৰ কৰোঁ, লিথিয়াম আটাইতকৈ কম, তাৰপিছত boron, তাৰপিছত beryllium. Okay, after that if we see carbon and nitrogen, carbon or nitrogen ভিতৰত কাৰ ionization enthalpy বেছি হ'ব? So carbon or nuclear charge 6. Okay, that means it will have higher ionization enthalpy. Or nitrogen or nuclear charge 7 লগতে ইয়াত half fill configuration is, that means nitrogen or electron highest ho. Okay, after that we will have carbon, after that we will have nitrogen. So this is the trends in the ionization enthalpy. So lithium or pisat beryllium ahibo lagisile, kintu beryllium nahile kele because of the penetration power of s which is higher. Boron agote ahile kya? Because boron or penetration and the 2p penetration power to कम. Okay, so this was the this thing. Trends in the. Now if we compare between nitrogen and oxygen, nitrogen electron 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, oxygen electron 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Okay, oxygen or effective oxygen or nuclear charge 8, nitrogen or 7. Ionization enthalpy oxygen or বেছি হ'ব লাগিছিল nitrogen কে, কিন্তু উল্টা হয়, nitrogen or ionization enthalpy to oxygen or বেছি হয় because this thing is half filled. Okay, okay, so one more thing that we need to remember is if I consider metals, the metals that have lower ionization energy are more reactive. So যিবোৰ metal or ionization enthalpy to কম হয় সেই metal বোৰ বেছি reactive হয়. Okay, so ionization enthalpy কম মানে last electron to easily দি দিব পাৰিব. For example sodium, ইয়াৰ ionization enthalpy to কম, সেইকাৰণে সি electron টা এৰি দিব পাৰে. It will give Na positive আৰু এই electron to Cl লৈ ল'ব আৰু it will give Cl negative. Okay, so elements or metals with lower ionization enthalpy are more reactive. So if I have 3 metals, 1 2 3, তিনটা metal আছে, these are the ionization enthalpies 2372, 500 and 900. So out of these 3 metals, if I arrange this metal in the increasing order of reactivity, then this metal number 1 which has highest ionization enthalpy will be least reactive. Okay, so 1 will be least reactive compared to 3, then we will get 2 will be most reactive. Okay, so metals that have less ionization enthalpy are more reactive. So this is the second thing that we have to know. Now, so this was about ionization enthalpy. So let us see a question. So there are 1s2 2s2. There are some electronic configurations that are given. 1s2 2s2 2p1, 1s2 2s2 2p4, 1s2 2s2 2p4. So first you are asked which of the following elements will have highest del H1. So this first ionization enthalpy to a side element of it, কোনটো এলিমেন্টৰ ফার্স্ট আয়নাইজেশন এনথালপি তো হাইয়েস্ট হ'ব. Okay, so this is 1s2 2s2. That means nuclear charge is 4. This is here 5. This is 7, and this is 8. Okay, so first ionization enthalpy to আটাইতকৈ বেছি ক'ত হ'ব? So first ionization enthalpy will be first ionization enthalpy. First we have to check nuclear charge. So এই চাৰিটা ভিতৰত nuclear charge কাৰ আটাইতকৈ বেছি? 7 আৰু 8 আটাইতকৈ বেছি. That means 7 আৰু 8 ৰ মাজতে কোনোবা এটাৰ আটাইতকৈ বেছি first ionization enthalpy হ'ব. কাৰ হ'ব? 7 ৰ হ'ব নে 8 ৰ হ'ব? So then we have to check the configurations. Here we have 2p3, 2p4. This is half filled. Okay, that means among these two, this will have highest first ionization enthalpy. Okay, so এই চাৰিটা ভিতৰত ইয়াৰ first ionization enthalpy to highest. So if I see if I am asked that what about second ionization enthalpy? আটাইতকৈ বেছি second ionization enthalpy কাৰ হ'ব? So যদি মই second ionization enthalpy to কেতিয়া পাম? মই যেতিয়া মই first ionization to already কৰি দিলো. So যদি মই first ionization to কৰি দিম, this will become 2s1. A2 2p2 গুচি যাব, গ'ল কে থাকিল. This will become 2p2 and this will become 2p3. Okay, now এই চাৰিটা ভিতৰত আটাইতকৈ বেছি second ionization enthalpy কাৰ হ'ব? ইয়াৰ হ'ব, because it is half filled. So এই চাৰিটা ভিতৰত second ionization enthalpy ইয়াত highest হ'ব. Okay, so this type of questions that you can be asked. So you will be given a series of elements. Choose which will have the highest first ionization enthalpy and which one will have highest second ionization enthalpy. Okay, so we discussed something called ionization enthalpy when we where we considered the removal of an electron from an atom. Okay, ionization enthalpy মানে কি আছিল? If this is the nucleus, this is the outermost shell of এটা ইলেক্ট্ৰন উলিয়াই দিলে যিমানটো এনাৰ্জি, outermost shell of এটা ইলেক্ট্ৰন ৰিমুভ কৰিলে যিমানটো এনাৰ্জি দিব লাগিব, that is the ionization enthalpy. But electron gain enthalpy যেতিয়া আমি ionization বুলি কওঁ তেতিয়া আমি কওঁ যে ইলেক্ট্ৰনটা গুচি গ'ল. That means now if we consider electron gain enthalpy, which we show using this symbol delta Eg for electron gain H. Okay, so electron gain enthalpy means, so if I have a, this is the nucleus, this is the last shell, এই এটমটোত বাহিৰৰ পৰা এটা ইলেক্ট্ৰন যদি মই সোমোৱাই দিওঁ তেতিয়া কিমান এনাৰ্জি ৰিলিজ হ'ব? Okay, so the electron gain enthalpy is the energy released. Okay, it is the energy released when an electron is added to the outermost shell of an isolated gaseous atom in ground state. So I have an atom which is isolated. This is in the gaseous state. I add an electron, then I get a negative. Okay, so a electron to add কৰি দিলে কি দেখা যায়? Energy is released. Okay, so যিমানখিনি এনাৰ্জি ৰিলিজ হ'ল তাকে আমি ইলেক্ট্ৰন গেইন এনথালপি বা ইলেক্ট্ৰন গেইন এনাৰ্জি বুলি কওঁ. So for example, if I see, so the other difference that we see when we discuss ionization energy and electron gain energy is, so when we talk about ionization energy, an atom is converted to the cation when we consider ionization energy. But when we consider electron gain energy, the atom is converted to the anion. Okay, anion only convert হৈ যায়. So if we see an example, so please remember, any energy that is released, energy released is negative. Okay, or exothermic. Okay, That means electron gain process is a exothermic process. Now, so if I see an example, so I have a oxygen atom in gaseous state. I add an electron, I get O negative. So the energy released, etu kora konote more minus 141 kilojoule energy release if I take 1 mole. So if I take 1 mole oxygen gaseous atom, if I add 1 mole of electrons, then 1 mole of O negative will be formed, and during that process minus 141 kilojoule per mole energy is released. This is the electron gain enthalpy for oxygen, which is negative. Energy is released, that is why we take it as negative. So again, if we see one more example, I have a sulfur atom in gaseous state. At electron value, I get S negative in gaseous state. The energy released is minus 200 kilojoule per mole. So this is the electron gain enthalpy for sulfur. Okay, so this is what we essentially call electron gain enthalpy. Okay. Okay, so in the same way where we had successive ionization enthalpies, we will have successive electron gain enthalpies. So successive electron gain enthalpy means first electron gain enthalpy, second electron gain enthalpy. So if I see oxygen, it takes 1 electron, it gives O negative. So this is the first ionization, first electron gain enthalpy. This O negative takes 1 more electron, it gives O2 negative. This is the second ionization enthalpy. Okay, so first ionization enthalpy, second ionization, first electron gain enthalpy, second electron gain enthalpy. So generally the first electron gain enthalpy is negative. Generally the first electron gain enthalpy is negative. But the thing that we have to note is the second electron gain enthalpy is usually positive. Okay, that means first electron gain enthalpy is exothermic, while second electron gain is endothermic in nature for most of the elements. So let us take a question. The electron gain enthalpy for chlorine, the first electron gain enthalpy for chlorine is minus 349 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so the question that you are asked is how much energy is released when 3.55 gram chlorine is converted to Cl negative. Okay, so that if the electron gain enthalpy of chlorine is this much, then if I take 3.55 gram of chlorine, how much energy will be released if this much of chlorine is converted to Cl negative? So the chemical equation will be Cl gas plus electron gives Cl negative gas. So this is minus 349 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so the negative sign indicates that energy is released. So Zodi, this is 1 mole Cl negative is converted to 1 mole Cl is converted to 1 mole Cl negative. Zodi 1 mole conversion hote jodi minus 349 release hoy teti hole 35.5 gram hole kiman release hobo. So 1 mole Cl means 35.5 gram Cl. So 35.5 gram Cl jeta convert hoy teta energy release hoy minus 349 kilojoule. Okay, teti hole 3.55 gram karone kiman hobo 3.55 gram Cl jodi hole kiman hobo. So we will use unitary method here. So 3.35.5 karone jodi iman hoy tele 3.55 karone kiman hobo. Okay, very simple, you do this and please send me as homework. Okay.